Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. and today I'm going to show you my March setup. A lot has changed. This was January, February. Now we are into March, whole different look. Haven't put my markers in here yet because this doesn't actually start being used until March 6th, which is Monday, and today is March 3rd, 4th, 5th? Yes, March 3rd, which is Friday. So what I have done here is this pouch I made, but I kind of did the concept of Erin Condren, but I made this before they did theirs, so my idea first. And then I took one of the 7x9 planners I had with the vegan leather cover, and I cut it off the coil over here, and then cut this down to fit the size of the A5 covers. And I ring punched it. And then I have these little ring paper holders, and they open up like this. You kind of just slide them and they open, and you can put the papers in that way, or you can punch them, which I'll show you in a minute, and make it real easy to come off. This I kind of just stuck in here. It was some packaging from, the Planny pack, because it's sturdy. This was kind of rubbing on the papers, and I just thought that it helped. So now this is just the classic line paper from the ring inserts that I'm using to make my actual planner. So this, I used my monthly March sticker kit, but I drew out the month on plain lined paper. And then you get the lined months, which is nice. So that is my March setup. And then here is my first week of March, which doesn't start till Monday. So I have some things filled in, but obviously haven't started planning in it yet, but I have it here ready to go with my stencil that I made. So I have that in here, the compact vertical, and then right after that, I have the dailies. So here's my dailies for next week. I've got that all set up. And then my extra page at the end. I have my brain dump and my to buy, and I don't know, I put work ideas. We'll see. We'll see what goes in here. Another brain dump for work, I guess. And I just used some extra printouts of the Printable to decorate this, because when you buy these sticker kits, you can print them as many times as you want and use them however you want to use them. So that's the first week in March. And then I have the second set up here with another play on the Daily Duo. These I drew in myself, and I just used the compact vertical stickers. It's very, very simple looking, but I like it kind of clean. And then I took all the boxes here and put them on that last page, except for this one because it wouldn't fit. And I was just going to write down like either gratitude or thoughts or things from each one of the days. Yeah, it's kind of messy too, but maybe I'll stick some other shamrocks in there or something to make that. It looks kind of weird right here, but it'll be fun to do, something different. And then here's the third week, compact vertical stickers. And I haven't done the Daily Duo stickers yet. I haven't actually finished this yet. I got all the way there, and then I had done a previous video on how you can use lined notebooks to plan as a planner with my stickers. So this was when I did that. It was a little bit far ahead, March into April, but it was the example that I did on that video. It's a couple videos back if you'd like to see it. And I have this all the way up, enough paper in here to do April. And then in the back, I have the rest of the planner here. What is this? Extra page. The March, well, the month, a month worth from that Daily Intentions journal. I just took it out, and you can actually use, I was going to show you that too. This is what I meant by you can cut these pages and then just pop them out like this, and then pop them right back on, and then you don't have to open the rings. And then also you can use the coil planner and take that apart, and you can put them on here too. They fit on these 6 rings too, so it can be used either way. So I have a month's worth in here for that journal. And that just has what I focused on and how I took care of myself kind of today, and then a journaling area. I think I just have 1 month in here because they're different colors, and that's how you know. This actually looks like it could be another one. Nope, still another week. Yeah, that's all I have in here. Oh yeah, because it was only a 3-month journal, so January, February, March, it's done. And then that just has a summary then at the end. So that is that. I don't know why I have that clipped. Because it just ends there with paper, I guess. All right, so I hope you enjoy seeing my DIY March setup and have fun creating your own stuff. Until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.